tap in a sieve or a sift and wash it clean. This is very important. And then once your leaves are nicely drained out of all the water, you can just start making this beautiful and healthy and delicious vegetable. So here my leaves are all prepped up and chopped and ready to go. Now besides the leaves, I also require few other ingredients, very few ingredients. So here I have one medium-sized onion which I've chopped fine. This is 4 cloves of garlic which I've chopped. These are 2 light green chilies chopped fine. This is half a cup of fresh coconut grated and some salt to taste. So that's all we require for our recipe today. So let's begin. So here I've heated about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in my pan. Use a nice broad pan. Now once my oil is nice and hot on a low to medium flame, I'm going to first add my garlic or lasun. Give it a small fry till it turns a little bit brown. It shouldn't get burnt, just a little light brown. Then we're going to add the chilies and let the chilies fry too. So the oil gets nice and flavored with this green chilies and garlic. Now I'm going to add my onions and we're going to fry the onion till it becomes nice and translucent. Now this Tambdi Bhaji is very good for health. It has a lot of good nutritional value. I will leave the benefits of eating this Tambdi Bhaji or Amaranth leaves at the end of the video. So just watch it till then. And now we're going to add our chopped up leaves. So chop them up nice and fine so it's easier to cook as well as eat. Now we're going to give this a good mix so that it gets mixed in well with our bagar of onion, garlic and green chilies. So give it a nice stir. Now like all leafy vegetables, you don't need to add water to this because the leaves will leave out some water. Now we're going to flavor it with some salt to taste. Once you've added the salt, mix the salt in well. And then we're going to add our freshly grated coconut. If you don't have access to freshly grated coconut, you can also use your frozen coconut, grated coconut. Just mix everything nicely. And you'll get this beautiful aroma of this fresh vegetable being cooked. And now friends, all we have to do is just cover and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring in between, just to ensure that the vegetable is nice and cooked. It doesn't take a long time to cook leafy vegetables. They get ready very fast, and you should not overcook leafy vegetables because then it loses all its nutritional value if you overcook anything. So just for 5 to 7 minutes, and then keep it covered and cooked. So it just keep it covered so that it can cook with the residue heat. Now this goes very well as a side dish with any meal, or it's a meal in itself if you have it with some fresh chapatis or puris. So it's such a simple recipe. It's so nice and colorful with the lovely greens and reds. And then now all we're left to do is just serve it in a serving bowl, and we're ready to dig in and enjoy this delicious, easy to prepare Tambdi Bhaji. Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.